Have you come across a situation where somebody striked a conversation about money and you just start to changing the complete direction of yourself, or maybe you just move away, or you started having a conversation on a different topic? Or maybe, have you come across to the situation where when the time came to pay the bills, when you are sitting with your friends in the hotel, and when the time came to pay the bill, you are just started maybe, hey, I'll just come, I want to use a washroom. This particular video, I'm going to share with you that three quick tips which will actually help your relationship with your money. Because I know, as a middle class family, you don't have a great relationship when it comes to money. Okay, so the number one thing what you need to do is you need to track all of your expenses. The moment even you spend that 1 rupee, you need to keep a track of that particular thing. It doesn't matter if you have made that particular payment online, or maybe if you have made that particular payment through cash. You need to keep a track of that particular thing, and try to avoid as much as online, because when you tend to spend things, or maybe when you tend to spend online, you don't have that kind of a feelings, or you don't get that kind of an emotions. But compared to, for example, if you want to buy something, you are spending 10,000 rupees online, it's within a second. But when you tend to give that particular cash, you will be thinking 2 to 3 times, and then you will start making decisions. Do I really need to do this? So this is how you can track your expenses, and this will actually improve your relationship with money. Number two. Now, the number two is you need to start blessing money. You see, money is an energy. Okay, now I have this particular bundle of money because I love money. I always bless this particular money. Now, if you don't bless money, money don't want to be with you. It's as simple as that. If you don't have a great relationship with maybe your wife, maybe with your spouse, they don't want to be with you. If you're not having a great relationship with anybody, they don't want to be with you. So similarly, money is an energy, and it has a very, very powerful energy. And if you want to improve a relationship with money, then you always need to bless that particular money. When I say bless, even you're paying your bills, let's suppose you are paying your Wi-Fi bill. When you are giving that particular money to that service provider, bless that particular money, because you have already got that service for which you're paying that money. Even if you're going and filling a petrol, bless that particular money, because that is giving you petrol in return. Even if you're going and buying a grocery and you are paying that particular bill, bless that particular money. The more, because every now and then when you start blessing that particular money, the relationship with money is getting more stronger, and you start blessing money, and that's how you're improving the energy, the relationship with money. And it's not only that, it just doesn't matter that once I get that maybe thousands of rupees or lakhs of rupees or crores of rupees, that's when I will start blessing. No, it starts with even a single rupee. I still remember, whenever I go ahead and fill a petrol to my bike or car, there was a time when you get a cashback, and that cashback is as simple as 0.10 paise. The moment I see that particular message, I close my eyes, I say, thank you so much, God, for giving me this money. I bless you. I bless you. It's as important, because the number is not important. It's on each and every transaction, you need to start blessing your money. That's how you will improve your relationship with money. Number three. Number three is you need to serve, you need to give a charity. Now, whatever money you're earning, whether you are earning a 50,000 rupees per month, or maybe 30,000 rupees per month, or maybe 70,000 rupees per month, but when was the last time you gave a charity? It doesn't matter that how many percentage you are giving. It's matter that even that single rupee, if you are giving up for a cause, even if that single rupee you are giving for a charity, that automatically opens a door of next opportunity. I don't know how it works, but this is how the universe works. So the moment when I started implementing this whenever I get certain kind of an income, I started giving it to the charity. And it doesn't matter that how much amount you are giving it, it just matters that are you giving it or not. And when I started implementing this started automatically opening lots of doors of opportunities for me. So this is how you can improve your relationship with money. When I implemented all these three things, it has dramatically changed, like, the relationship with my money, and it has given me a lot of money, and, like, the way I think about money has completely changed. So if you found this particular video helpful, go ahead and hit a like button, and also comment below that what is your relationship with money. What do you think about money? If I say money is, then fill in that particular blanks in the comment, and I would like to read all your comments, and I would like to see what is your thought when it comes to money. And if you want to make some kind of a videos on this particular topic, comment below that what is that topic you would love to hear about, and whenever I get a time, that I would love to make that particular video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.